Have you ever felt trapped in the endless cycle of earning just enough to survive? Your salary arrives, but by the end of the month it feels like it vanished into thin air. Imagine breaking free from this trap, building wealth slowly, and securing your future, even with a low income.
Today I will reveal secrets that most people ignore, yet they are the keys to turning your small salary into financial freedom.
Stick with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could change your life forever. You might think that investing is only for the wealthy, for those who have huge savings, or for people who already seem to have it all figured out. But the truth is, investing is not about how much you earn. It's about how smartly you manage and grow what you have. Even if your salary is modest, with the right strategy, discipline, and mindset, you can start small and create wealth that compounds over time. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment or big salary to start. That moment never comes. What matters is starting today, however little it may seem. Most people with low salaries make another fatal mistake: spending impulsively on short-term pleasures while ignoring long-term goals. That extra coffee, that new gadget, or even unnecessary subscriptions slowly drain your potential wealth. Imagine redirecting just a small portion of your salary, maybe 10% or even 5%, towards investments instead. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, like a sacrifice. But this tiny, disciplined action repeated consistently will snowball into something remarkable. The power of compounding doesn't ask how big your salary is, it only asks if you start. You may wonder, but how do I invest when I barely have enough to pay my bills? The answer is simpler than you think. Start with what you can afford, no matter how small. Even investing $20 or $50 a month can grow into a significant amount over the years. The key is consistency, patience, and learning. Treat your small investments like seeds. They may not show results immediately, but with time, they will grow beyond your imagination. The first step in investing with a low salary is understanding your finances clearly. Many people never take the time to track every rupee that comes in and goes out, and that's a huge mistake. Start by listing all your income sources, monthly expenses, debts, and savings. This process will reveal hidden opportunities where you can cut unnecessary spending and free up money for investments. Even small adjustments, like cooking at home instead of eating out, using public transport, or negotiating bills, can release funds for your future. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to prioritize. Emergency savings should be your first goal. Life is unpredictable, and an unexpected expense can wipe out months of disciplined investing if you're not prepared. Build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Once this safety net is in place, every investment you make becomes more secure. Remember, investing without protection is like sailing without a life jacket. Next, learn about low-cost, high-potential investment options suitable for small salaries. Mutual funds, index funds, and recurring deposits are excellent starting points. They don't require large amounts, and the risk is manageable. Digital platforms have made investing easier than ever. Now you can start with as little as $10 online. The goal is to build the habit first, and the amount will grow with time. What's crucial is starting and staying consistent, even when it seems insignificant. Mindset is everything when your salary is low. Many people feel discouraged because their friends, colleagues, or neighbors seem to be earning more and investing more. Don't compare yourself. Wealth is not about speed. It's about direction. A small, steady investment grows faster than a haphazard, impulsive one, no matter how big the initial amount. Think of your money like a tiny river. Over time, it can carve a canyon. Your mindset of patience and persistence is your secret weapon against financial stress. Avoid the trap of quick money. Low-salary earners are often lured into scams promising huge returns overnight. These schemes are dangerous. They can wipe out everything you've worked for. True financial growth is slow, steady, and secure. Focus on long-term strategies, not flashy promises. Even small, safe investments that grow consistently will surpass the temporary thrill of risky gambles. Visualize your future, your dream house, financial security, freedom from debt. Every small investment you make today is a step toward that dream. When you feel discouraged about how little you're investing, remember that even the tallest tree starts as a tiny seed. The secret is consistency. The money you invest may seem trivial now, but in 10 or 20 years, it can become the financial independence you've always wanted. Automation is your friend. Set up automatic transfers from your salary account to your investment account. By doing this, you remove the temptation to spend first and invest later. Small automatic investments force you to stay disciplined, and you'll be surprised how fast your portfolio grows without conscious effort. It's a mental trick that turns investing from a chore into a habit. Education is another critical element. Learn about personal finance, investment options, and budgeting. Free online courses, YouTube channels, and blogs can make you financially literate without spending a dime. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Knowledge compounds just like money. By investing in your mind, you're securing returns that will pay off for a lifetime. Remember, your financial journey is personal. Don't rush, don't compare, and don't give up. Start small, invest regularly, and trust the process. Your salary doesn't define your potential. It's your actions and mindset that do. Every dollar you save, every rupee you invest is a building block for your future freedom. Debt can kill your investment potential if ignored. High-interest loans and credit card debt should be handled first. Even if it means investing smaller amounts initially, paying off debt will free your future income from interest payments, giving your investments room to grow. Think of debt as a chain holding you back. Every payment you make breaks it, opening new opportunities for your money to work for you. Consider side hustles or micro-income sources. Even an extra $50 a month can drastically accelerate your investment growth. The world today offers countless ways to earn online, freelance, or monetize your skills. Combine this additional income with your main salary, and suddenly investing doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It becomes an exciting journey toward financial freedom. Discipline and patience are your allies. Don't panic when the market dips or your investments grow slowly. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small milestones, track your progress, and learn from mistakes. Your consistent effort, even on a low salary, will eventually create a financial legacy. The story of wealth is written in small, consistent actions, not instant riches. Think long-term. Investing is not about instant gratification. It's about creating security for you and your loved ones. Your salary may be low, but the decisions you make today determine the comfort of your tomorrow. Don't underestimate the power of compounding, the impact of consistent savings, or the freedom of financial literacy. Every small step matters. Visualize a future where you're not worried about bills, where unexpected expenses don't throw you into panic, and where your dreams are not limited by your paycheck. That future is within reach, and it starts with a decision today. Invest in yourself, your knowledge, and your financial future. Even a modest amount is enough to start the journey. Finally, share your progress with a trusted friend or community. Accountability keeps you motivated, and sharing your journey can inspire others. Remember, financial freedom is not a solo journey. It's about building habits, mindset, and strategies that last a lifetime. Every small action counts toward your ultimate goal. Automate, educate, and protect. These are the three pillars that turn low salary into wealth. Start today, no matter how little you have. Build discipline, avoid scams, stay patient, and watch as small steps transform into life-changing outcomes. Your future self will thank you, and the pride of financial independence will become your reality. Embrace the journey. Trust the process, and remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you invest what you have. Take action today. If this video has inspired you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because your journey toward financial freedom is just beginning. Share this knowledge with someone who needs it. And together, let's grow smarter and wealthier. One small step at a time. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below your first small investment or the strategy you'll start today. It might inspire someone else to take the leap. Remember, financial freedom